sing and I studied a lot about motivation. Because before, I loved so much to listen to music. I really love listening to music before, but now, not now. Before, I loved so much. Before, I want to do something. I lay up in my bed. Before I want to do something, I lay up in my bed and I relax and listen to music, and then I'm motivated. You see? What does that mean? I think that the best way of motivation and self-esteem is not from the others. If you wait motivation or wait someone else to motivate you, it's gonna be really hard for you to achieve something. Really hard. Because you wait somebody to trust you. And that's why if you on the middle of the huge problem, you cannot resolve it. Because you need motivation for somebody. But if you can motivate you, no music, no music. No somebody else suppose, just only you can go on the top. On the top. I mean that motivation, self-confidence come from you. As what I'm telling you, from relaxation. I feel that I am. I feel that I can. I feel that I can do it. See? I feel it. I can. No matter you disappoint me, no matter what obstacle you threw in front of me, I keep throwing on my way. No matter you say, you can do it. Of course I can do it. Because I believe in you. That's the huge one. Believe in yourself. I mean that I'm here to motivate you. Don't wait somebody to believe in you. Okay? Don't wait somebody to believe in you. You can do it. Everybody can do it. Everybody can do it. If they decide with their decision. If this is my decision, if it's not my decision, you can't do it. But anyway, most of the people, I'm not talking to you, but most of the people, they need somebody else to motivate them. Don't be like that. Be on you, on your own motivation, on your self-confidence. Self-confidence is hard for many people. You know what I'm building self-confidence now? As what I've said to you in front of the mirror. Talk to myself. Tita, you're the best. Tita, you're a millionaire. Tita, you're amazing. Tita, you're prosperous. Tita, you're God. Tita, you're God. I'm God because I'm Tita. That's why I come here in front of the mirror. And I start thinking about it. And I play for me. I mean that to build yourself up, it is hard for many people. But from now, it's going to be easy. Because everything